You don't have to pour it on yourself. Hey everybody, we're out here at the lake house.
Hi.
And today's a very special day because today's Ruby's first birthday. We're here with Liz and her brother Luke, otherwise known as Team L. Team L is kind of known for their disasters in the kitchen, right?
Amazing baked goods.
It always turns out good.
It always tastes good, that's for sure.
I decided to film on my phone today, just to keep it simple, because we haven't made a video in a long time. We've shot stuff, but I haven't finished editing it yet because I've made it too complicated, so just filming on my phone. What you making now?
Chocolate ganache with chocolate and coconut milk.
Smells good, I can smell it from here.
It's chocolate. Ooh, that chocolate. Can I get a spoon? Ooh, that chocolate smells good from over here. I didn't do anything. I just poured it out a damn bag.
Instant karma. So it's basically like the frosting, right?
Huh?
It's the outer layer.
What? The frosting?
The ganache, it's kind of like the outer layer.
Oh, yeah, I thought you said defrosting, not the frosting.
No, defrosting. It's like defrosting, am I right?
I was like, what? I mean, I guess. They are getting smoother, see?
Juices and raspberries.
Juices and raspberries.
Smash them up.
Smash them up.
Did you wash those?
Nope. Thank you, Mr. Health Department over here. Oh, no!
Oh. Alright, so Liz's mom went on a grocery run to get some more raspberries. You're measuring out the flour?
Yep, and like most Team L projects, I'm stuck doing the work. That's easier than making. Actually, the cake's easier.
Alright, switching out because we put Ruby down for a nap. Luke's working on another recipe now. Something broccoli related.
Wow. Ooh. Ah. All right, get the damn baby.
Alright. Aborting the nap. Sorry, Rubes, bad idea. Guess who's back?
Back again.
Yeah, broccoli. Mmm.
The raspberries are here.
And childcare. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Why are you in a sleep sack, baby girl?
Well, we tried to put her down for now.
So silly.
Hi,
So crazy.
I know.
So that looks
Vinny.
Right?
Hello.
Welcome to the shit show.
Ooh,
Not to curse on the show, okay?
what are we making?
You just cursed.
Chocolate cake.
Oh, chocolate cake.
Cool.
Great. Baking is science.
We're losing all the air. You see it bubbling?
Okay. Are we sticking it in the oven?
Yeah,
Okay.
for 25 to 30 minutes.
Woo! Oh no, she's coming to get us.
It's fine.
Hi.
What's this part?
Smash.
What's this part? Smash?
Oh, I'm sorry. Am I hosting a show here? Explaining this to people? You're mashing the raspberries to create a raspberry chia seed filling.
Not joking when I say that smells really good.
Shut up.
No, seriously.
It's just raspberries. Looks real good and real mush.
Good job, hon.
Smash.
Cakes are ready.
All right. Lovely. This one looks a little bit like a demented smile.
Now we just let them rest and cool down.
Cool.
Higher. Oh. Sorry, Jack.
Flip it. Flip it.
Flip it.
Flip it.
Flipping.
Ruby.
Then you just shovel it on.
Hey.
I got your knife too, Liz.
Oh, thanks. I didn't even realize. Ooh, it's so smooth.
Just stay around.
Shut up.
Look at that fancy cake. Oh, you blocked it.
And it's raining
Ruby,
again.
it's raining on your birthday. We
got all the setup outside.
All right, where
It's
are we going
okay.
inside?
We love the rain. The rain is just water. Bah, bah, bah. The rain is just water. Oh, you get a party hat. Oh my gosh.
Yay! I know, that's for you, Ruby.
Mom's gonna help you. You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
What in
Good
the...
job.
Should I cut that book for you for a little bit?
She hates art.
What do you do? Yeah. Put your foot on the table.
Hey, it's
cool.
your first birthday.
There you go.
Mmm, isn't that
Chocolate.
good? Yeah. Where's the mom?
And this is spiraling out of control real fast.
Yeah. Why do people do this?
All right,
Should we go in?
birthday girl is asleep. Let's see what everybody else thinks about this cake.
It's really good. Super moist. And definitely the raspberries are really good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the raspberries are better than last time.
All right, Benny.
Maple syrup.
Oh, no.
Or agave, like we did last
That's
time.
delicious.
Yeah.
It's almost kind of light.
I'm a little iffy on the ganache.
But I like it. It's like it's chocolatey, but it's not overwhelming.
Yeah, no,
it's
good.
not like terribly rich. It's,
Mhm.
I really like the raspberry.
I
Yeah.
feel like the taste of it's so much stronger than the cake.
The cake doesn't have that much cocoa powder. It's not
Uh-huh.
that chocolatey as a cake.
But I think that's what I like about it. There's something very kind of really light. And, you know, you have these chocolate cakes that are like really intense and
Yeah.
Dense.
dense. This is not dense.
Yeah.
She's thick, but she's not dense.
Also, maybe the ganache is because we use like darker chocolate.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like kind of the contrast because I think the ganache is kind of rich in a way. But then it's sort of like you move
Yeah, it
your
is.
way down. You look what's up.
Yeah, it's real good. It's real good. Highly eatable. Good job, Team Al.
Always coming through.
Maybe you should change your name to Team W.
If you put two L's together, you get a W.
Oh. That was really fun. You did a good job.
Thanks.
Thank you. Delicious cake.
Thank you.
And thank you for an amazing year. Happy birthday to you.
And to you.
You're a great mom.
You are a great dad.
And you're a pretty good cake maker too.
Thanks.
I love you.
I love you